So it's, approaching 50 years old. The road was, starting to need rehabilitation. And you had a roadway that was carrying about 14,000 vehicles a day running through the center of it.
We needed to change. It was four-way stops all the way down Kirkwood. Meadows Place, Kirkwood connects Houston to Stafford, Meadows Place, Sugarland. We're all connected, so basically that's like our front door. And the road was really in disrepair. It needed to be re-engineered and redone.
What solution are we going to choose?
Meadows Place came to HDR with a challenging problem. We actually evaluated 8 different options. Traffic modeling was used to help us conceive the plan and to prove that the benefit for doing a roundabout is the best option for this particular corridor. Some of the benefits that come from having a roundabout installed is, one, it's a traffic calming device. It slows traffic down as they enter into the corridor. It also increases the safety of the vehicles and the pedestrians in the area. Data has shown that roundabouts have reduced overall collisions by 37%. Also, it provides additional green space so that the community can make it its own, make it a gateway.
So getting it to the point where we were actually starting the design and then ultimately construction, that was, a great achievement for the city to get to that point where we could start actually seeing concrete go on the ground. Closing the street was not really considered as a viable option for the city. We were concerned about response times from the fire station, the ambulance, and the police department.
Another part of our phasing that we took a look at was not only just the safety and the movement of the actual community, but also the safety of the construction workers. We wanted to provide an area to where they can safely get in there, construct it. Everybody comes to work, everybody goes home safely.
So because we had to keep two-way traffic on Kirkwood during construction, we had to look at how are we going to do this? And the first thing you've got to do is you got to put down some temporary asphalt so you can build the other half of the roadway.
Had to have additional signing, additional traffic control in those areas as we moved through. Each intersection when the intersection was closed, the next adjacent intersection had to remain open to allow traffic to move through there freely.
So the city has been looking at adding a lot of what's called purple pipe, and it's reclaimed water. Rather than just dumping that water down into Keegan's Bayou, it gets pumped back into our system, and it's used for irrigation, it's used for water of our lake. That way we don't have to spend or use regular water, potable water, for those utilities.
The landscaping portion of this project was really important to us as well because this is the gateway into Meadows Place. We have 76 trees in this project and over 10,000 grasses, shrubs, flowers. The specific grasses and flowers and rock aesthetics that we chose actually cut down the maintenance. They're perennials. They're going to come back each year. We're not having to constantly replace them with new seasonal color. It's something that's long-lasting. They're also drought tolerant, and they are very, since they're native, they're used to the heat and the climate that we have. So that really reduces our maintenance on those areas.
It is unique. It is very beautiful. The aesthetics is just crazy outstanding, and we're very proud of this project, and we're very grateful that they gave us this opportunity to serve them in this function.
It's been a fun project because there have been so many hands involved in it that share the same goal, that share the same attitude of they understood what they were creating. So everybody from the landscapers to the construction crews to the folks that were installing the irrigation, everyone understood it was very important to us that we got it right. I'm most proud that it's a success, that we were able to meet our end goals and provide something so beautiful to the community. So we'll continue to see that area grow in life and vitality over the next couple of years. And it will just continue to thrive and look more beautiful as it ages.